What is going on YouTube? Today I finally got a new video, and this video we're gonna be installing the new M Sport bumper we got. I already got this one painted. I ordered it off I think carparts.com, so we'll see how they did and see how it lines up and whatever. But I got it painted, and this is the M Sport one. So we got this carbon fiber M Sport diffuser that will go into the bottom right here. Also got the tow hook cover I'll put on after the bumper's installed. And inside here, had to order a piece that will go inside here. So we'll see. But I'll get these open, and then we're gonna have to remove the old bumper. And we got this piece out, so hopefully it should just be able to sit right there. All right, looks pretty good, pretty OEM. So let's see. Should honestly just, well, they got the double-sided tape, and it should just pop into place. I'm not gonna do it right now, but oh yeah, okay, that will fit. Looks pretty decent, so cool. As long as it fits, that's all I care about right now. But we're gonna do that after, and let's get to removing the old bumper. Also, the bumper did come with these. These are for the PDC. So these just tape on the back here, and the new ones should just slide in, click in, not sure yet. Of course, as soon as I start doing something, the rain has to come out, so we're gonna have to do this later. Okay guys, this is my old bumper, and I'm trying to take it off now, but as you can see, it's like has some imperfections, and the new one just looks a whole lot better. But we're trying to take off the 8mm screws in the back. I popped out these already. I made unscrew those, pull out the tail lights, and then we should be able to pop off the old bumper and put the new one in. All right guys, I removed the rear bumper. What we gotta do is just connect the PDC cables, but don't let your internet fool you. It's actually easier than what people say to take these off. As you can see, I didn't break any clips. All you do is, once you get everything off, you just pull from this edge, and it literally just snaps right off super easily. Same thing on this side, and just make sure these clips are up. But yeah, I'm gonna disconnect the PDCs, and we could put in the new bumper. Is our old bumper all removed? Looks decent, and boom, now we just gotta, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, and then we can fit the new bumper on. So as you can tell back here, I need to pop this out, tape it on. I've got the new ones to tape on the new bumper and snap those right in, just like the way these are. I got it cleaned up a little bit just so everything looks nice, but now we can fit the new bumper on. These snap out really easily. Just literally pull these apart and it pops out. So do the same thing here, and they're kind of dirty, so I'm gonna clean them up after. So I just got these cleaned up. They're not perfect, but look much better than they were, as you can see. And now we can tape on these pieces on the back and pop these in. But first, before I tape these on, I'm gonna clean it up a little around the edges, just so it sticks on better. So I think I'm gonna pop them in first and then insert it, just so it can be centered once it's on here, and then just peel this off and pop them on. I don't know if there's a specific orientation where these got to go on, but I'm gonna put them on exactly how I took them off. So these face this way and these face this way, and boom 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 boom, easy. So here's the first one on, and it looks perfect. Looks paint matched, but we'll see in the sun how it looks, because this is from the original car and this is obviously painted. But 3 more to go and it should be good. All right, so I got them all on. This one, for some reason, this part is too high, so I had to kind of trim it so it doesn't press against the bumper. But overall, they'll look pretty good, and let's try to install it now. All right, got the bumper here ready to install, and I'm gonna ask my brother to help me, because I'm sure you can do it with one person, but just so I don't hit any of these corners, I'm gonna have 2 people, so let's try to fit it on. Paint's already looking so good in the sun, and looks like it's matching the car. All right guys, we got to fit it on. Not sure if I snapped it everywhere in place yet, but it looks to be really good. There's a slight gap there, but I think I could push that forward. Overall, not bad, sitting really good. And yeah, I'll try to line it up and then put the headlights in, and then we could put the diffuser in. So here it is with the headlights on, or the tail lights, I mean. Looking good. So excited to put the carbon diffuser on. And what was I gonna say? This part, it's kind of bent here, but hopefully once I put the tow hook on, it'll kind of, or maybe I'll heat it up right now and then kind of pull it down. Guys, moment of truth. I've been waiting for this for a while. So we're gonna be installing our diffuser, and honestly, I don't know how it goes on. I guess it kind of just clips in there. I might have to heat that up and straighten it out. And same here. But yeah. All right, guys, so this is how I got it on. Honestly, not happy whatsoever with the fitment, but I mean, it looks good. It's just, it'll not line up anywhere. It won't go into there. It seems like it's too short. Same thing here. I had to like zip tie it because the screws do not line up, but I'll try getting it as best as I can, and I'll pop this thing inside right now. Piece went on super easily, just peeled off the tape and popped it on. So I think this is the best I'm gonna get. It's actually not that bad anymore. I had to pre-drill my own holes and zip tie some stuff, but kind of crack here a little bit. I don't really care as long as it's in. It's weird because it won't sit in there, but it's because the bumper was folded when it came in, and that's why it's not popping in there, but it's whatever. I'm just glad to be done with this. So now I'm gonna try folding this down kind of, because the tow hook doesn't really want to sit straight on it. I mean, it does, but I'm trying to get it as perfect as possible. And I got that tow hook on pretty straight, so that should be it. I gotta tighten down the taillights, and we'll see how it looks after. We have officially finished the install. Overall, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna, a little gap there, but it's whatever. Can't really see that. Overall, looks pretty good. The pipes aren't really centered in the middle. This side is, that one really isn't. But the parking sensors, they don't stand out. Looks pretty OEM. This side looks all good. So I'm gonna drop it down now and see how it looks. Before anything else, I went away and threw on these canards because I had some new ones that I bought a while ago, but makes it look a little bit more aesthetic and lines up with the extension, the side skirt extension. So it goes to the back here, and I just got this side left, and we should be good. All right, guys, this is the final look of the M Sport bumper install, and it looks so much better. Only part I don't like is this right here, but other than that, literally transformed the whole entire rear. Makes it look much more modern, and I actually like the canards. And pretty much the bumper was like perfect. I think it's just the diffuser that was causing the issues, and maybe the fact that it was folded when I bought it, and maybe I just didn't let it sit long enough. But I mean, it did sit for a couple weeks, so, but overall looks really good, especially this angle. All I gotta do is get some coilovers now and some maybe new wheels. And I'm looking at these 4-Stars F14s, I believe, with the deep concave. But overall, if you guys enjoyed watching this install, please smash me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.